Welcome back as we explore the Laura Geller Baked Balance-n-Brighten foundation featuring a retractable Kabuki brush. This unique powder is handmade in Italy and baked on terracotta tiles for 24 full hours. Multicolored liquid pigments swirl together to self-adjust and match your specific skin tone for a flawless finish. You get weightless light to medium buildable coverage that leaves your skin looking beautifully radiant and even. It contains white tea extract and Centella Asiatica to provide soothing hydration for mature or uneven skin. Simply use the included Kabuki brush to blend the demi-matte powder outward for a natural glow. This creamy formula hides fine lines and wrinkles without ever feeling heavy or looking cakey on you. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.